Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shauna K. Now in today's video guys, I'm gonna be giving you guys another daily vlog. So please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I just reached a beach. See it there? So I decided to go get a dip today guys. Remember I never go in there the last time I come here. Alright, so I'm going to get ready here now and then go over there. Alright guys, so I just reached over the beach. So I'm going to get ready now for getting the water guys. So guys, me just get ready to leave beach. So I will stop and get one burger real quick, then head to the supermarket. So guys, with the family we are going to Burger King, you know. Let me show you what I want. Alright guys, so I just get my burger. Okay. So I get one double whopper. And I have my juice right here. So I'm going to go ahead and eat you now guys, and then I leave, go to supermarket. Alright guys, so I just reached a stop, so I'm going to make a quick stop at a machine first, then I go to the supermarket. Alright guys, so I just get through at the ATM. Yeah, so I'm going to go in the DIY and I'll go get a few stuff. Probably just some oxtail seasoning and some jerk seasoning. Yeah, so I'm going to go inside you now, so let's go. So I'm gonna get some okra too guys. And then should I get 2-pack? So me I weigh my mind if me need 2-pack of okra or just one. I'm not sure. But I'm going to settle for you one right now. If I not, will come back for another one. If I make up find some more. I'm want 1 pack of pepper as well. So I'm going to work with this. But I'm going to get 2 bags of kalalo. Alright guys, so I'm going to walk, go around at the back, go get the oxtail seasoning, then I go around at the other side, go get the jerk seasoning, and also we'll get one jar of blended seasoning, green blended seasoning as well, because as you don't know, I did tell you in the last vlog, I think my blender did burn up guys, so I want to do some jerk tomorrow, some jerk chicken and jerk pork. So I'll just go ahead and get the blended seasoning as well, because we can't get the blender you know. So I'm gonna get some onion. Yeah man, I already have garlic back home. But this look reasonable still. The mirror look reasonable. And then I should get one pack same way. Because me have garlic, you know guys, as me say, but me not think I hold it me have left back. So might as well get one pack and done. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my oxtail seasoning. Alright guys, so I'm going to take a pack here. I already have some island spice seasoning back home here, so you look up back here what we're doing. Alright guys, so I think we should have get, well, did I get some Maggi all purpose, but no, I just remember saying I have island spice seasoning back home as I told you earlier. Yeah, so I'm going to look the jerk seasoning and the green seasoning now, but it don't look like so they have none guys. Hold on. I'm going to show you what they have. So this is the jerk seasoning, see it here. So expire 2027, but I not see no green blended seasoning. See it there? Nope, they don't have no green blended seasoning guys. So I have to go check somewhere else for that. Hopefully I can get it because I really need it. See. Use tomorrow. I just did a look down here so also, but I still not see none of that still jerk seasoning. I see curry paste. So they don't have none in here guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and cash them here and go look it elsewhere. And I also will get one pack of purple toothpaste. Thanks. Alright guys, so I just leave out of the DIY. So I'm going to go head to the supermarket. I wonder if I should get the full feed first, then I go to the supermarket. But if I go get the full feed first, then I go to the supermarket.
That can fall and cause injury.
Mr. Chin, morning. Wanna have a hyper layer crumble?
Finish.
Finish? Alright then. Hyper more. So guys, before I reach at the farm store, I go past the supermarket where I go for buy the grocery them. So I go just go ahead and stop and get the grocery them and done before I go at the farm store go buy the feed. So over there, so I go guys. Alright guys, so I'm at the supermarket as you can see. Yeah, I just come in here, so I'm going to go ahead and start to pick up the grocery them now. And them still not have no green blended seasoning in here. See they? All of them here they have. The jerk seasoning, yes. See. So I'll go ahead and get some ramen. I think we go just get 2 ramen and me also need 1 pack of coconut milk. And we go get the rice right here, so right here. This look like a 3-pound parcel. We go just get 1 3-pound parcel. And me also need 1 pack of sugar. And we'll get 1 shorty bread. And we'll get some cream crackers.
Oh, these wheat, amazing. They look like nothing.
Alright guys, we'll get 1 pepper sauce and me have ketchup. Me already have ketchup back home, guys. Me think me have 1 of them back here back home when I pull it. So I'm go just get the pepper sauce and tin sausage. Me almost forgot to me need tin sausage, you know, guys. Oh god. Yes, when I used to go in 1 supermarket, then things that happen. Guys, honestly, me I wonder if me should have still do the jerk tomorrow. Yeah, because me not see everything what me need. But me go ahead and get 1 pack of file paper same way and 1 pack of paper towel as well. I'll get 1 of them pack here. Guys, remember how Christmas me I searched on the place to mix spice. Look there. After the festive season gone, they finally get back with spice. Cause me they come in here and check also and they never did have any. But me still not see no almond essence. Yeah. Alright, so let's go. Guys, me just remember so me need flour. Yeah, so we'll get 1 3-pound parcel. But we need 2. Thanks.
Get 45.
Morning.
Good morning.
Alright guys, so I just get you in at the supermarket, yeah. So I go uptown, you know, uptown Sam, and go see if we can get the blended seasoning. As me say, if me can't get it guys, I go rough to do the jerk without it still in a but I see what I can do still. So whenever we reach at the other supermarket, alright? So I just pay for the feed guys, them here. So I go around at the back here now, go pick them up. So see feed them here guys. Alea, right?
Yeah, man, Leah from
Okay.
you see the thing?
Thanks.
Yeah, man, welcome.
So guys, me just ask one of the workers them if they sell the green blended seasoning in here, and they say yes. So which they selling at their white, you know, but they just never did have any. So me will go ahead and walk and look and see if they have none in here. So me just keep my fingers crossed. Yes, guys, you see them, they have them in here. Let me show you. Alright, so see them right there, so guys. See they. Yeah. So I can go ahead and do my little jerkins tomorrow, you know. Yep. So I just alone me did need in here. But I'm going to take a little walk still and look. You see, me need anything more, which me highly doubt me need anything more. Anyway. Alright guys, so me finish look around here now in a shopper's sphere. So I'm going to go ahead and cash this here now. And then head home. Oh, and I also want to try and get some breadfruit guys. I'm not sure if me go get it, but if not, me have to go just work with what I have. And the only thing we have at the moment are just bread. The only wonder if me should I get one pack of festival. I wonder. Alright, me go check to see if they have no festival. Just in case me not get the breadfruit, we have festival with the bread instead of just the bread alone. Yeah. Alright, so they have festival guys. So I'm going to take up one box of it and then we go ahead and cash this and the festival. See festival here. Alright guys, so I just leave out a Shoppers Fair. So as I said earlier, I go try and get 2 breadfruit. If I can't get it, I go just work with what I have, which me buy bread already and I just buy 1 box of Festival. Yeah, but hopefully I can get the breadfruit guys. Because I really feel for, you know. Well, as you may or may not know, it's breadfruit and jerk pork. Hey, that nice body, you know, man. So we go head out here now. Alright guys, so I'm now at the supermarket. I try to get the pork before I head home, and I can't get no breadfruit guys. Yeah, it look like I have to go do without. But that's how I go still. So see it there. $550 a pound for. So I'll get 2 pounds. Alright guys, so I get the pork. See it there. Thanks. Alright guys, so I just reached home. See the grocery in there. Feed not come out of the car yet. Yeah, so this is pretty much the end of the vlog. So please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.